Hello guys, welcome back. So I thought I haven't done an update on Ethereum for a while, so I'm just want to give my thoughts on it and my potential targets for this cycle. I'm aware that they might disappoint some people, but I'm just trying to be objective and not let emotions run it. So let's just get into it, guys. Now I'm gonna start as well with the top-down analysis. I'm gonna go down up on the yearly time frame, and we're gonna see strong support down at 1195. We have a previous yearly level here, which has all already been tapped. So I'm gonna mark it in this endpog now, and this needs to be a yearly level. There you go. Now let's go on the monthly, and on the monthly we are here. Already see that we are seeing some sort of rejection from this level. Below, and just copy this. We have one monthly here and one monthly level there. I think the one below is not very relevant at this point, but let's just mark it out regardless. Weekly, we have one here. Another one here at 2200 and one last one, which is quite strong at 1579. Okay. Now if you go back on the monthly and actually on the weekly, we can go on the weekly and treat this as a range, guys. You know I love a good range. And we can do let's do on the line chart. This would be the working trading range. And let's do it in white. Back to the candle chart. Okay, guys, so what I'm trying to say about this is I know a lot of people are expecting Ethereum to go to 10k, 20k. You know, we're starting to see those exaggerated targets again, and it just I just cringe a bit when I hear them. I'm not saying it's not gonna go there. It might as well go there, but when this in this cycle, it's not very likely. So objectively, at the moment, we are rejecting from the range highs, which is a strong monthly level. If we go down on the daily, this is a classic rejection. On the other hand, the trend is still bullish, so I had to have the images here. The trend is still bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows even on the daily, even on the weekly. I mean, to break this bullish structure, we would have to go below 3400. So at the moment, that might be unlikely, but we just gonna wait it out and see. So this rejection here, if we are to continue the bull trend, which I think we will, a good area to buy, in my opinion, is if we take a, let me do the Fibonacci level first, golden pocket, and then let's also do a volume profile for the last leg up. So this is going to be a bit of a wider range, but it doesn't matter. But I think anywhere in this green box here, so basically from 4k all the way down to 3675, I think Ethereum it's a buy, because this is not usually how markets top. So I'm not expecting, even if this is the top, I'm not expecting Ethereum to just go down like that, because on tops you usually have another push and maybe low and then another push and then you have a lower high and then you just go down. Oh, that was crazy. So that's where I would buy. And then an objective target for this, if I delete this range, an objective target for this, if I do the range with confirmation and invalidation. So for Ethereum to go significantly higher, I think it will need to close above 5,600, 5,500, because otherwise this can just be a deviation and then it can go back in the range one or two times and then go back down. So if we are to trade much higher, if you decide you want to buy here and you want to hold it for a while, next level to watch for me would be 5,600, and a close above this, then obviously that's proper price discovery, not just a deviation of the previous range, and we will see where that takes us. Now, if we have a look at the time perspective of this move, because I think, although I'm bullish on Ethereum, long term and let's say medium term, short term I'm a bit bearish. I think a correction is coming, not a lot, but like I said, to 3,500, 3,600. But if you have a look at the halving dates, let's say 22 was in, I think it was in May. So let's say first halving in 22 was there, and then our last halving was in April 2024. Now, as you see, the market has stopped after 551 days. So if we take this and we transpond it here, you will see that we are very close. We are very close to the top. It happened in November. I'm expecting the same to happen now. You know, if we do get a style of move that we had in 2021, let's just transpond this here. So basically from the top there, we can go something like this. So if we do get something like this, a bit extended though, that will take it 2026. I don't think it's going to be that sharp of a move. Maybe something like this. Okay, take it to November 2025. So as you see, guys, unless we get a super cycle, I don't think there's enough time for us to go to whatever, 10K, you know, 15K, 20K. People are just keep saying that, yeah, this coin is going to go up forever. Well, yeah, if you look on a wide enough time frame, yeah, if you take it from 2016 up to now, yes, it's up only basically, you know. Even if you bought here, you bought here, you bought here. Even if you bought here, you are almost at break even and you will be in profit soon. So everybody that has previously bought Ethereum will be in profit. So time-wise, I don't think there's enough time for us to go stupidly high, but I do think there is an opportunity to make some gains on this coin. And as I said, I'm looking to buy in this box here. Obviously, if we from here get another push up, then the chances that this gets hit are even more likely. Because as I said, coins don't just move like that. Most of the time they do like that, and then they go like that, and then they go down. So anyway, guys, as a recap, short term 4K I think is a strong level to watch, and then 5.6K is another strong level to watch. Until the market structure is broken, we are bullish and we're gonna treat it as such. I'll see you in the next one.